Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Hollywood Consultant. Today, we will discuss what happens after you buy our $30 We Design, You Sell Shopify Boutique. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
A lot of people have asked if our $30 ready to sell Shopify boutique is a scam. And we're here to show you no, it's not a scam. So let's take a look at what happens after you click the add to cart and buy now button for one of our Shopify ready to made boutiques. You will receive an email like this, and within that email you will click the link and that will take you to our site builder and questionnaire. Once this is done, you will be given a bunch of information about the process, as well as having to input information. Some of the information that you will need to input will include what you want your boutique to be named, your registered email, as well as some other bits and pieces of information. You will have the opportunity to tell us the possible names for your boutique, and you will also have the opportunity to tell us what type of products you would like carried in your boutique. Because your boutique does come stocked with 20 items in the inventory, this inventory will be based on whatever types of items you let us know you would like to sell. Once that's done, we head over to the second phase, which is the actual design and look of the boutique. Here, you will get to see a layout of what the boutique will actually look like once it's complete. We show you in great detail so that you can know the overall layout. Please keep in mind that all of this is changeable once your site is transferred over to you. You can change up this layout extremely easily. Once you see the layout and get some more information, you are able to choose from over 40 different banner templates / base designs for your boutique. We've designed all of these and you get to choose one to represent the aesthetic of the boutique that you would like to have. Once you choose your design template for your overall look, you will then be able to choose from one of our color palettes. You will have many choices to choose from, so go ahead and please take your time and choose the one that best represents the color palette that you would like to initially start your boutique. We even go in depth a little bit more and ask you what you would like your overall color to be based off of your color palette. So you get to choose your color palette and then you get to also choose your main color. Once all of that information is sorted out, you then go on to tell us the information that you want to be used as your About Us message and your shop tagline. All of this information comes directly from you and it's customizable. Before the process is done, we give you the opportunity to tell us a little bit more about what you want, give us any final thoughts. And while we try to do everything that you like, there are limitations, and we will definitely let you know if we can't accomplish the things that you are requesting. Once the form is all filled out, all you have to do is hit submit and wait for our confirmation message. Once you hit submit, your job is done for the moment, because we go to work creating a customized Shopify ready-to-sell boutique with all the parameters that you input into the last form. This will take 24 to 48 hours. And then you receive an email that your Shopify ready-to-sell boutique is ready with a clickable link and password. Don't miss out on the opportunity to get one of these ready-to-sell boutiques. And we have a special where you can bundle and save. Get our ready-to-sell boutique and get one of our digital courses together. Thanks as usual for stopping by. We hope that this video was super helpful. Please again make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any Hollywood consulting content.
Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind.